appear
Ay, yung
sa
anak ko,
same day.
kinakabahan nga ako pagka nagpa-post yun eh. Sikat na sikat ngayon eh. Pag umikot nga ako yun, tinatanong ako, how's Eman? Diba? May fans ha? Mga Gen Z, makilala mo eh.
Pero she's so used to ano nga po eh, nagpa-interview siya, very open nga siya sa journey
Ay,
niya.
naku, yung mental health journey niya, I was keeping it secret eh. Siya na nag-out eh. Maybe it's part of her healing also, to be able to tell as many people. She's inspiring a lot of kids, and I like that.
Meron po ba kayong influence sa kanya sa pag-handle nga ng criticism?
She's already 19 eh. I can only advise her now, as her dad. Pero sa career niya, gusto niya siya lahat eh. Sabi niya, Papa, I'm already called Nepo Baby. If I'm seen with you all the time, then I'll be just a regular Nepo Baby. They accept me as Nepo Baby because they don't see you with me. But when you're with me all the time, I'll be a regular Nepo Baby. They won't like me anymore. May point din. Matalino.
Ano yung lagi niyo sinasabi sa kanya? Sorry. Ano yung lagi niyo sinasabi sa kanya?
Sabi ko, Eman, talent will only bring you to a certain distance in this field. What will take you to long distances is attitude, work attitude. Marami kayong talented dito. Pero yung madaling katrabaho at maaasahan katrabaho, yun ang magpapatagal sa'yo dito.
And ano naman yung sinasagot niya doon?
I'll consider it. Ganun ang Gen Z ngayon. Ang Gen Z, walang yes, Papa, wala. Let me search it. Let me search it online. And then, pagka may tama na, papadalhin sa akin yung link. You're correct, Papa. Pagka mali ako, here's why you're wrong, Papa. Ganun sila ngayon eh. Iba na ngayon.
Since Eman is a sparkle artist ka rin, is
Yeah.
there any chance?
Sabi ko na pupunta
mag-collab
kay Eman
kayo?
tong...
Mag-collab
Ayaw niya
kayo.
eh. Kasi sabi niya, Papa, they call me the... Parang the accepted Nepo Baby. I'm the love Nepo Baby eh. The reason they love me is because they don't see me with you eh. When I'm with you, they'll say that I'm getting my breaks because of you. Then I'll be a regular Nepo Baby. Sinisingit ko lang yung mga collab namin eh, dahil yung mga Tagalog lessons niya, gusto ko yun eh.
Thank you.